Welcome to our training on creating consolidated listings for case packs and pallets through Amazon Bulk Services. At Amazon, we support 3 package configuration types: single unit, case pack, and pallet. A single unit is the most common configuration in the Amazon store. It's the smallest sellable package of a product. You could sell an individual computer keyboard, for example, or a box of 15 pens. A case pack is a package that contains multiple units of the same product. You could sell a case of 10 keyboards, for example, or a case of 25 boxes of pens. Sometimes a case pack can also contain other, smaller case packs instead of individual units. A pallet is a stack of the same single unit or case pack on a wooden or plastic frame. You could sell a pallet of 500 individual keyboards, for example, or a pallet of 50 cases containing 10 keyboards each. All 3 of these configuration types are viewable to every Amazon customer. Case packs and pallets can help encourage sales from Amazon business customers, who often want to streamline bulk purchasing and distribution. Case packs and pallets can also help sellers move and manage their inventory more efficiently with lower shipping and fulfillment costs. How do you list a case pack or pallet? All sellers can match offers to existing case pack and pallet listings using Amazon's standard processes. They may need to secure product, category, or brand approval as they would for a single unit. But there are no additional requirements when matching. See the series of modules in our List Products course in Seller University for more information about matching. So if you want to create a consolidated listing for a case pack or pallet, meaning it's grouped on a single product detail page with other configurations, you'll need to establish a package hierarchy through Amazon Bulk Services or ABS. You need to meet a few additional requirements when using this listing option. You need to be a professional seller. The single units, case packs and pallets you want to consolidate need to belong to a brand enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, and you need to be either internal to the brand or an authorized reseller. Sellers create consolidated listings by establishing package hierarchies, which are the relationships between different configurations. But as we've learned, pallets can also contain individual units. Case packs can contain other case packs, and multiple case packs can contain different numbers of units. For example, pallets containing individual units or case packs containing different number of units. When sellers create a consolidated listing for a case pack or pallet using a package hierarchy, they automatically enroll it in ABS, which is a free program through Amazon Business that supports bulk B2B sales with enhanced tools. If you, your product, and your case pack or pallet meet all these requirements, you're ready to create a consolidated listing. To do so, you would need to create and upload a spreadsheet using the Upload Your Spreadsheet tool in Seller Central. To access the tool, open the main menu, hover over Catalog, click Add Products via Upload, then click the Download Spreadsheet tab. If you're consolidating existing listings, find the Update Product Details card and click the Download Spreadsheet button. In the pop-up, click the Product Template link. Then click the link in the next pop-up for the Amazon store where you want to consolidate your listings. If you're creating a consolidated listing for new configurations, find the List Products Not Currently in Amazon's Catalog card and click the Get Product Template button. Then, in the pop-up, click the link for the Amazon store where you want to create your consolidated listing. Then you can use the search bar or product classifier to select your product's category. You can also select multiple categories if you want to create consolidated listings for multiple products of different types using a single spreadsheet. After selecting one or more categories, select the store for your template. In Europe, the functionality is available only in Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and the UK. Please choose only one store at a time, as for each store you would need to create a separate template. Leave your template type defaulted to Advanced. Then click the Generate Template button. When you open the template file, go to the tab Template, where you'll enter product and package hierarchy information. Use a separate row for each unit, case pack or pallet. Start by making 4 entries in the first set of columns with light orange headers. In the product type column, select the relevant category for the unit, case pack or pallet using the drop-down menu. In the Seller SKU column, enter your internal ID number for the unit, case pack or pallet. As a reminder, this should be different for each configuration you list. In the Product ID column, enter the product ID number, for example EAN, for the unit, case pack or pallet. This number should also be different for each configuration you list. Fill the Product ID type column for each unit, case pack or pallet, for example EAN, ASIN, UPC or GTIN. Next, you'll make 4 entries in variation columns with red headers to establish your package hierarchy. In the relationship type column, enter package_contains for a case pack or pallet. Leave this column blank for a single unit. In the package level column, enter unit, case or pallet to indicate the relevant configuration type. In the package_contains_quantity column, enter the number of packages the configuration contains if it's a case pack or pallet. Leave this column blank for a single unit. For example, enter 10 for a case pack that contains 10 individual keyboards, or 50 for a pallet with a stack of 50 cases of keyboards. Finally, in the package_contains_identifier column, enter the SKU for the package contained by the case pack or pallet. Leave this column blank for a single unit. For example, in the row for an individual keyboard, leave package_contains_identifier blank. In a row for a case pack that contains 10 keyboards, enter the SKU for the keyboard. And in a row for a pallet with a stack of 50 cases of keyboards, enter the SKU for the case pack. After completing the first 8 columns, use the Update Delete column to select Partial Update for existing listings that you're consolidating, or select Update for new consolidated listings. At this point, if you're creating new listings, you'll also need to complete all other mandatory fields in the spreadsheet. You can provide additional product information in optional fields too. Review our Seller University module, Match or Create Product Listings in Bulk to get step-by-step instructions for this process. Once your template is complete, you're ready to upload it to Seller Central. Go back to the Add Products via Upload tool and click the Upload Your Spreadsheet tab. Drag and drop your file or browse for it. Then click the Upload File button. You can monitor your upload using the Monitor Upload Status page. If successful, your consolidated listing should appear in the Amazon store within 24 hours. If your upload encounters an error for error code 99010, for package level case or pallet, ensure that relationship type is set as Package Contains and fill required fields Package Contains Identifier and Package Contains Quantity. For error code 99008, check the following. The Package Contains Identifier attribute can have a value only when relationship type is Package Contains. For package level units, Package Contains Identifier should be blank. For error code 990101, each SKU in the hierarchy must have a unique external product ID, such as EAN, GTIN, UPC or ASIN. If you still receive an error, you can contact Seller Support for assistance. To learn more about variations, you can check the trainings available in the course List Products on Seller University. This concludes our training on creating consolidated listings for case packs and pallets through Amazon Bulk Services. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.